Welcome to today's update. This indicator right here has been one of the most accurate indicator that has always predicted each end of BTC bear market and also each low of BTC bear market. As you all know, right now we are in a bear market, and the most common asked question is that when are we going to see the end of this bear market, and also how low BTC is going to go in this bear market. So in this video, we're going to use this indicator to determine the end of this bear market and also how low BTC is going to go. So make sure you watch this video to the end. With that being said, taking a look at the BTC ETF right here, in the past few days we have been seeing massive outflow, but right now in the past 24 hours we just saw a little bit of inflow totaling $69.4 billion. This is quite better compared to the outflow we have been seeing, because the outflow has been one of the major reasons why we have been seeing BTC dumping to much more lower prices. But with this stop to outflow, definitely if we continue to see more inflow like this, we might begin to see a little bit of strength from BTC, and this is going to put us into much more higher prices. Now, with that being said, on the BTC ETF, looking at the current trending news right now, Market Seller has stopped buying BTC after 13 straight weeks of buying. The question is there something he's saying that we are not seeing right now on the price chart, or is he currently waiting for much more lower prices so that he can start buying again? I will leave you to answer the question in the comment section. Now, looking at the main purpose of this video, taking a look at the indicator that has always determined and predicted the end of each BTC bear market and also the lows of each BTC bear market. Now, let's bring the indicator on board on the price chart. First of all, come to your indicator panel right here and search for smoothed moving average. Look at it here, smoothed moving average. Just click it, and we're going to do a little bit of settings. Now come to the setting panel right here, click the settings, then change the length to 210. The 210 length is one of the best and major lengths that has determined the bear market and also the end of each, and also the lows of each bear market. Now click on the OK button, and it will currently appear on your price chart, which is the blue line right here. Now, I already added mine, and mine is already showing white, so I will uncheck this I just showed you. Now, taking a look at it here, if you take a look at previous bear market right from 2015, it acted as a little bit of support right here, but we didn't touch the line, so we just had a little pump, and after that we came back and touched the line, and immediately we touched the line, this predicted the end of the bear market back in 2015. As you can see, if you had bought at when the line was touched in 2015, you would have bought the exact bottom, and also it predicted the low. You can see this was the low we had back then, and it didn't touch the line, so it means to say the bear market didn't end. So what came next was just a little bit of shopping or sideways price movement, and what we saw next was a major dump that came to take out the line, which also predicted the low of the bear market and also the end of the bear market. So in 2015, it predicted the end of the bear market and also the bottom of the bear market. Now, let's take a look at it here in 2018. It came down to this level, but the line was not touched. So it didn't act as a major level of support back in 2018. And also from there, we got a little bit of bounce. And look at it here. In 2020, we came back down to touch the line, and immediately we touched the line. This gave us that major rally we saw back in 2021. So as you can see, this indicator right here has always been the most major accurate bottom predictor of each bear market. You can see here in 2018, like I said, we didn't touch it, and this was not the low back in 2018. So we came back in 2020 during the COVID, and we tested the level, which now gave us the major rally we saw back in 2021. And now, if we take a look at the 2022 bear market, also you can see we came down to this level here in June 2022. We didn't touch the line, and what we saw then was just a little bit of bounce, and next thing we saw was another downtrend, another major crash, which is the lunar crash, that took us below the line. And immediately we got below the line, what we saw next was another major rally that gave us the bull market of 2025. So as you can see, this line right here, which is the smoothed moving average, has always been a better indicator that has predicted the end of each bear market and also how low BTC goes in each bear market. So if we quote the indicator right now to this current market condition, which is to this bear market we are right now, the indicator is saying the price needs to come and take out this level right here, the $47,980. So let's just summarize it to 48K. So the indicator is saying in order for we to see history repeat itself and also for we to see the mega bottom, which is the accurate bottom of this bear market, BTC needs to come down to 48K level. So the question is, are we really going to repeat history here, or we are definitely going to see the price just bottom out at this level and then see much more higher prices? Well, I will need you to answer the question in the comment section, because me, I do believe that if history should repeat right at this level, we're definitely going to see BTC coming down to 48K. So this is it, and this is what we currently have on the indicator. And like I said, if you have more questions and if you want to add more to this video, you can easily put your reply or your question in the comment section. I will definitely take a look at it and give you a proper answer. So with that being said, this has brought us to the end of today's video, and if you find this video very useful, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and if you want to continue to watch this kind of content, make sure you hit up the subscribe button right here, turn on the notification bell, so that next time when I make a new update about the entire crypto market, you will definitely be notified. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.